Ever wondered how an online business can offer a vast array of products without maintaining a massive inventory? Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a game-changing retail model that's reshaping the e-commerce landscape. At its core, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method that eliminates the need for a store to keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when an order is placed, the store purchases the product from a third party, typically a manufacturer or wholesaler, and has it shipped directly to the customer. The result? A streamlined, efficient process that benefits both the retailer and the customer. Imagine you've decided to dive into the e-commerce pool and start your own online store. With dropshipping, there's no need to invest heavily in inventory or worry about storage. Simply list the products you wish to sell and let the suppliers handle the rest. So where do these products come from? That's where platforms like Sprocket.co step in. As a marketplace that connects retailers with suppliers, Sprocket.co offers a wide range of products that you can add to your store with just a few clicks. From the latest gadgets to trending fashion accessories, the choice is practically unlimited. Once you've picked your products, it's time to create your online store. Platforms like Shopify make this process a breeze, offering customizable designs and layouts that can be tailored to your brand. With your store set up and your products listed, you're ready to start driving traffic to your site. As orders pour in, they're automatically forwarded to the suppliers who take care of the shipping process. And here's the icing on the cake. You only pay for the products once a sale has been made. No upfront investment, no inventory headaches. In a nutshell, dropshipping paves the way for a lean, efficient, and profitable e-commerce business. By connecting retailers with suppliers, platforms like Sprocket.co and Shopify are empowering entrepreneurs to start their dropshipping journeys with ease. So whether you're exploring a side hustle or planning to plunge into e-commerce full-time, dropshipping could be your ticket to success in the world of online retail. Start for free with special access codes listed in the description.